So to answer Riz's question about why women get postpartum depression, it's because, well, in labour, you lose a lot of blood. Poor ladies, they lose a lot of blood when they're giving birth. So what can happen is if there's a deficiency of blood, it puts more labour on the liver itself. So, like I said the other day, yesterday, sorry. So the liver is associated with depression. So when the liver has to work harder because there's not enough blood, then you just they're going to feel down. So the other thing is there's not enough blood to carry the nutrients around as well. That's another issue as well. So the not enough oxygen, not enough nutrients, because that's what blood transports. And also it's the clean away truck, so it takes the garbage away. So that if there's not enough blood to take the garbage away, it builds up in the liver as well. So that's the reason why the liver becomes deficient as such. You also got to remember that there's been this foreign body pushing up against the liver for the last 9 months. So the liver's been trying to work harder as well to be able to process the blood as well. So hope that answers your question, Riza, and follow me for more biohacking tips.